Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I created this bulbul inspired look. So if you're interested how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm starting with the Vaseline Ice Cream Moisturizer on all over my face. I'm not going with any primer or foundation today because the bulbul has very subtle makeup. Now I'm going to apply this Maybelline Age Right Concealer. It's in the shade Caramel. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, a little bit on my chin, a little bit on my forehead. Now I'm just blending it all with a beauty blender. I'm using this Maybelline Color Jolt for a little bit of blush, so it will give a more natural finish. I also blended Beauty Blender so it won't have any streaks. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Compact and I'm going to mattify my face with it with the same Beauty Blender. I am taking my Dilation Pro makeup palette for my eyeshadow today, and I am taking the shade Splendid on a fluffy brush and just going to apply it on my crease. Bulbul doesn't have any eyeshadow going on. I'm just going to define it a little bit. Now I'm taking the shade Hollywood, which is a dark brown shade, and just applying it close to my lash line. Now I'm taking the Private Jet shade, which is a black shade, and I'm going to apply just above the shade I applied before. Now I'm just going to smudge it with my fingers so it will look more seamless. Now I'm just going to finish off the eye look with the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Now I'm taking my Faces Canada face palette and apply the bronzer on my jawline and on also my forehead, on bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to take the highlighter from the same palette and apply on my highest point of my face. I'm going just applying a really subtle. Now I'm taking the same Maybelline Color Jolt and apply it on my lips a little bit. I'm finishing the lips with the Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. It's a really nice brown peachy shade. Now the final thing is applying a bindi. Bulbul has kumkum, but I can't apply kumkum, so I'm applying the red lipstick. So with that, I'm just going to finish my hair and be right back in a minute. So that's the final look. It's a very subtle and beautiful. You can also wear this look as everyday makeup look, but just removing the bindi. But I really love this look, how it's turned out. I will mention all the product links in the description box below in case you want to check out. So guys, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.